How to fix Messenger not opening. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Messenger is not opening. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is to check if your Messenger is up to date. So to do that, just open up your App Store, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and type in the search bar Messenger. Tap on Messenger. So to check if your Messenger is up to date, it should say open right over here. That means that your Messenger is currently updated. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that because the latest version will have all the new features as well as the improvements and all the bug fixes within the Messenger app. So updating the app will help in fixing the Messenger when it is not opening on your side. However, if your Messenger is up to date and it still does not open, the next thing that you're going to do is to go to your settings app over here and click on General. Click on iPhone storage. So you should see all your apps listed right on this page. So just wait for it to load. And then scroll through the page and just find the Messenger app that's listed in here. And tap on Messenger. So from here, what we're going to do is to click on Offload App. So offloading the app will free up the storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So offloading the app will also clear the cache of Messenger that might bring the bugs that is causing the Messenger to not open on your phone. So just click on Offload over here and click on Offload App again. Once it has been offloaded, you should see a reinstall option. So just click on reinstall and that should put your Messenger back up on your phone and hopefully fix your issue of not being able to open Messenger. So that is how you can basically fix Messenger not opening. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.